So the first thing we're going to do is review what a variable is. A variable is a setting that you can set, and you can use that variable for different things so that one number or one letter is stored in the same place. So we are going to use that to get the ball to move back and forth. So first we're going to start with our event, and we want this to go on forever, so I'm going to do when the green flag is clicked, and then I'm going to go to control and loop this forever. Next thing I want to do is get our variable. So I'm going to start by making a variable, and I'm going to call that right or left, but you can call it whatever you want. And the first thing you have to do is set your variable in the beginning, and this will set it to a start position, and I'm going to start it at 5. Now, while it goes on forever, I want to move the ball left and right. So left and right is the X direction, so I'm going to change X forever, and I'm going to change it by whatever the right or left variable is. So we're going to put that in there. The next thing I want to do is sense when it hits one of the paddles, and when it hits one of the paddles, then it should change direction. So how we're going to do that is we're going to take an if loop, and we are going to go to sensing and say if it is touching the color black, let's change this to black, 0. If it is touching the color black, then we are going to set our variable, which is right or left, to whatever the variable is at its current state times -1. So I'm going to put -1 there, and then I'm going to go back to my variables and add right or left. And add it right there. Okay, so now if we restart the ball, you can see that when it moves, as it hits the paddle, it will go to the other direction, and that's what we want to do. And then if it doesn't hit the paddle, you can see that it will stop. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.